Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the View Data functionality in the new Interagency Spatial Fire Planning service. As you can see, our map view is showing on the screen here, and you can see some of the spatial fire planning polygons in that map. But I want to refine my results to pick a specific unit that I'm interested in viewing data for. On the right-hand side here, you will see a series of filters starting with geographic area. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the Southwest. And then we can filter by agency. Go to the Forest Service, and then unit ID. Unit ID starts with the country code, and then the state code, and then the 3-digit unit code. Pick the Kaibab National Forest, and then you can also choose to filter by shape type if you would want to as well. Once you apply those filters, the right-hand panel will show your results based on your filtered criteria, and I can choose to select one of those units. The map will automatically pan, zoom, and filter the data to exactly the results you're looking for. And in the text field at the bottom left side of the screen, you will be able to see the language activation date, the language code, as well as the language associated with those polygons. To go back and choose a different shape, you can simply select the next shape in the dropdown. Again, the map will filter and zoom and pan to the new shape that's selected, and our language associated changed as well. There are two ways to go back for your query results. You can clear results with the little trash can icon on the right-hand side, or you can hit the back button on your results and then choose to change some of your criteria and filter again. On the far right-hand side of your query results is a list of actions where you can do a number of different actions resulting from your filtered data. And that's all for today. Thank you.